Rescue team, come help us! Ho-Ho! Ho-Ho's gone missing! Slow down a little, Miss May-May. What exactly happened to Ho-Ho? I had told the children to head to a safe place when the earthquake happened. However, I realized that Ho-Ho was missing, and I had only been able to find his hat. Please do not worry. The search dog has a very sensitive nose, and we will definitely be able to locate Ho-Ho.
Brachiosaurus and have a long neck, a small head, and a short tail. I like eating grass. Brachiosaurus has to swallow stones to aid in the digestion of plants.
Mysterious magic forest. The kitten elves are happily playing on trampoline and having delicious food in the forest. Let's take care of kitten. Wow! Kitten elves are born. Let's feed them. The kitten elves want to play with more friends. Let's get a few more kitten elves with the breeding machine. Be patient. The kitten elf is about to be born. Wow! The kitten elf is giving you a gift! The kitten elves are hungry! Let's buy a feeding machine for them! Those kitten elves love you! Please come and look after them every day! The elf gems are not enough. Let's open the treasure chests